I'm sure you guys all heard about the manga or comic book that was released in Japan that was predicting a very high magnitude earthquake, actually in 2 days from now, July 5th. Many tourists are spooked, and what a coincidence, within the last few days, there have been over 1,000 earthquakes right near the area the manga predicted. The manga, titled The Future I Saw by Ryo Tetsuki, actually predicted many different events, of which did not come true. So we have to take this with a grain of salt. But what she was spot on about was the magnitude 9 earthquake in 2011 that hit Japan. Years ago, back in 2021, Allatra TV had actually explained the geodynamics that are happening within the Nankai Trough, and how there is a very high probability within the next few years that we do see such an event. Dr. Egon Chalakian, a scientist of the Allatra International Public Movement, has explained in detail the exact processes that are happening right now as we speak. And unfortunately, the only model of these events and escalation of these events that have proven to be true is by these scientists of Allatra. And there seems to be a common pattern, at least these days, when some mainstream influencer or podcast, or in the example of the Allatra International Public Movement, a scientific organization, comes out talking about certain things, and then immediately there is a massive smear campaign on these podcasters or on these organizations. You have to ask yourself, is this true? And who doesn't want this information being leaked to the public? The Japanese government has already outwardly spoken about this event coming in the coming years, but they gave the timeline of 30 years from now, which I think is a very big overestimation. I highly recommend you guys check out Dr. Egon Chalakian's videos, because I think these events are going to make themselves known very soon. And the more we know, the better.